10 lesser known facts about butterflies that may surprise you. First, taste with their feet. Butterflies have taste receptors on their feet, which allows them to taste food by landing on it. This helps them to determine if a plant is sweet or bitter for laying eggs. Second, lifespan varies. While most butterflies live only a few weeks, some species can live for several months or even as long as a year, especially those that migrate. Third, chrysalis transformation. The process that butterflies undergo from caterpillar to adult is called metamorphosis, and during the chrysalis stage, they essentially turn to liquid before reshaping into a butterfly. Fourth, color perception. Butterflies can see in ultraviolet light, which is invisible to humans. This ability helps them locate nectar in flowers and recognize potential mates. Fifth, migration. The monarch butterfly is famous for its long migrations, traveling thousands of miles from North America to central Mexico for the winter, sometimes covering distances of up to 3 miles. Ninth, defensive mechanisms. Many butterflies have evolved patterns and colors that act as a warning to predators, indicating they may be toxic. Aposematism, even if they are not poisonous themselves. Seventh, wing patterns and thermoregulation. The colors and patterns on a butterfly's wings are important for regulating body temperature. Dark colors absorb heat, while lighter colors reflect it. Eighth, social behavior. Ome butterfly species, like the red admirals, are known to engage in social behavior such as roosting in groups and participating in mutualistic relationships with ants. Ninth, butterfly gardens. Creating a butterfly-friendly garden can greatly support these insects. They prefer native plants and flowers that provide nectar for adult butterflies and specific host plants for caterpillars. Diet. While we often think of butterflies as sipping nectar from flowers, adult butterflies also feed on tree sap, rotting fruit, and even animal dung to obtain salts and minerals. 10 lesser known facts about bees. Bees can recognize human faces. Bees have an impressive memory and can recognize and remember human faces, allowing them to distinguish between different people. They use a technique similar to how humans recognize faces too. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly good to eat. The low moisture content and acidic pH of honey deter bacteria and spoilage. 3. There are over 20,000 species of bees. While many people might think of honeybees or bumblebees, the reality is that there are over 20,000 species of bees worldwide. They can be found in almost every habitat except extreme deserts and polar regions. 4. Bees communicate through dance. Honeybees perform a waggle dance to communicate with each other about the location of food source. The direction and duration of the dance convey information about the distance and direction of the food from the hive. Ome bees are solitary. Not all bees live in colonies. Many species are solitary bees, like mason bees and leafcutter bees, do not form hives or swarms and often nest in individual burrows. 6. Bee venom has medicinal properties. Bee venom, used in apitherapy, contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation and relieve pain. It has been studied for potential treatment of conditions such as arthritis and multiple sclerosis. 7. Bees can see ultraviolet light. Bees can see in the ultraviolet spectrum, which allows them to see patterns on flowers that are invisible to humans. This helps them locate nectar and pollen more effectively. 8. Worker bees are all female. In honeybee colonies, the worker bees, which do most of the foraging and hive maintenance, are all female. The male bees, called drones, have the primary role of mating with the queen. 9. A bee's wings beat extremely fast. A honeybee's wings beat around 200 times per second. This rapid movement creates the buzzing sound we often associate with bees and is essential for flight. Bees play a vital role in pollination. Honeybees and other bee species are crucial for the pollination of many crops and wild plants. It is estimated that about 1/3 of the food we eat relies on pollination, making bees essential for food production and biodiversity.